Hey guys, David here. Welcome to Digital Outlook, where you're gonna find the best community in all of crypto. In today's video, XRP Breakout slated to be massive. So guys, without further ado, why don't we get to it? So guys, for those of us that have been in this XRP ecosystem for a length of time, one thing that we have absolutely endured, of course, is every kind of FUD that you can imagine being thrown at this ecosystem and, of course, XRP and its price. But guys, one thing that cannot be denied is the absolute powerhouse that Ripple has been underneath all of this amazing pressure and scrutiny. And guys, I just want you to check this article out right over here. Ripple XRP starts 2024 strong with a string of victories. Just listen to this right here. Fintech giant Ripple is celebrating many successes, boasting recent acquisitions, licensing wins, and expanding global reach. CEO Brad Garlinghouse took to Twitter to express his enthusiasm for the company's latest acquisition of Standard Custody and Trust Company, adding it to the growing list of achievements in the last quarter. Ripple's regulatory compliance efforts received a significant boost with Standard Custody's addition. This acquisition reinforces the company's commitment to adhering to legal frameworks while expanding its product offerings and exploring new avenues. And of course, guys, we know that this is massively going to open the doors with money service businesses licenses right here in the United States, and it has a potential to be absolutely explosive, like we talked about in just yesterday's video. The deal brings Standard Custody's limited purpose trust charter and money transmitter licenses to the Ripple fold, strengthening its regulatory portfolio. This move follows another key acquisition in May of Medico, a custody solution provider, demonstrating Ripple's focus on the custody space. And as we talked about yesterday, we're talking about a $10 trillion market, which is absolutely massive, that is going to be opening up within the next 2 to 3 years. It is truly phenomenal what is being represented right there. Now, with Standard Custody, we'll be able to improve existing product offerings for our customer, as well as explore new products and use cases, all in a fully compliant way. Guys, regulatory clarity is coming. And one thing we know for a fact is the ones that are going to survive are the ones that are going to be able to work within the framework. But not only work with it, absolutely have a seat at the table to determine what that framework is going to look like. And you got a powerhouse like Ripple out there, a $15 billion unicorn, not even ICO. So a unicorn, for those who don't know, is a corporation that has not IPO'd that has a value of at least $1 billion. Well, Ripple's out there with 15 billion. And guys, they have opened up all kinds of avenues right around the wide world and are working with these major organizations to solve these global liquidity problems in a powerful way. And they're utilizing XRP and the XRP ledger to solve those problems. That is massive. Now, further solidifying its commitment, Ripple announced partnerships with top-tier institutions like HSBC, BBVA, and Zodia Custody in this area. Beyond acquisitions, Ripple's global momentum is undeniable. The company's recently secured critical licenses in major markets, and including this one, listen to this. including a full major payments institution license from the MAS and VASP registration in Ireland. Guys, remember that? That wasn't even that long ago. And what about in the United Arab Emirates, in Singapore, all over the UK? Guys, it is exploding all over the place, and they are getting that regulatory piece of the puzzle absolutely solidified for their service business around the entire wide world. Now, listen to this. This impressive feat adds to Ripple's existing New York bit license and money transmitter license in nearly 40, get that, 40 U.S. jurisdictions. Ripple's core business areas, payments and custody, have received significant attention, with the live commercial custody offerings now available in 20 regulatory jurisdictions and payment services reaching 70 countries worldwide, most of them First Nation states. This expansion into Africa, for example, highlights the company's global aspirations, doubling down on its core strength, expanding its regulatory footprint, and forging strategic partnerships. Ripple is clearly on a winning streak. The company's future seems bright, with continued growth and innovation expected in the ever-evolving fintech landscape. Now, on the flip side, this is what they say. While standard custody's licenses are helpful, Ripple still faces significant legal challenges with the ongoing SEC lawsuit. But guys, we know we're at the very end of that. XRP has been granted legal status as not being a security. And right now, what we're really talking about is what is the penalty phase that Ripple may have to pay. And think about it. It has got one of the biggest coffers in the entire industry where they're able to challenge it and perhaps even get it significantly reduced. Do you think ultimately that's going to be a crippling hurdle for Ripple like it was for Library? Not on your life. And think about this. In the Library case, the SEC was looking for millions upon millions upon millions. You know what the end result was? $112,000. Yep, that's what it was. Guys, here they are looking for hundreds of millions from Ripple, and it may only end up being just a few $1,000,000, which is absolute chump change when you consider the valuations that Ripple holds as a company and their billions of dollars in cash reserves. Truly phenomenal. Now, they're saying here, despite company achievements, XRP's price performance hasn't mirrored Ripple's growth. Well, guys, we have seen this every single cycle where XRP just seems to be tinkering along, holding back, and all of a sudden, tinker, tick-tock, boom. And it literally, the ROI and the percentage gains blows the doors off to practically every other asset in the entirety of the asset space. Now, think about this. XRP has sat in the top 10 for market cap for the entirety of all of these markets from day one till right now. And that includes with the pressure and the SEC lawsuit that has been on it. And that is absolutely phenomenal. Not once did it ever leave top 10 for market cap. And that speaks literally volumes. Guys, you got to know what you hold. Now, something else I want to show you is this right here. XRP returns to 3-year symmetrical triangle with breakout slated to be massive. And this just came out today. Just listen to this. XRP's price has been trading within a clearly defined symmetrical triangle for about 3 years, and a breakout might trigger a parabolic run. Speculation surrounding XRP's price action remain on the high end, owing to the coin's rank of one of the most watched tokens in the crypto ecosystem. Outlook for the asset took a new twist when, against all expectations, the coin failed to touch the dollar mark last July, following Judge Annalena Torres' verdict in the SEC lawsuit that XRP was not a security. And guys, there's so many of us that had looked at that and really thought that we were going to see over $1, and yet you can see the market making in this space and what took place there. Now, as XRP gives into its bearish pressure market analysis, Crypto Rover has continued to track its price. He has identified XRP's trend in a 3-year symmetrical triangle. Crypto Rover was one of the analysts who spotted the trend when XRP derailed from the 3-year consolidation phase earlier this month. After breaking below the triangle, XRP recorded a multiple rebounds and a subsequent rally amid the broader market upsurge. Crypto Rover has now confirmed the return of XRP to the consolidation range with the likelihood of a breakout. He expressed optimism about what might come next for XRP. According to him, any potential breakout from the triangle's resistance point might be massive. For reference, breaking through the resistance will require XRP to flip the 60-cent price level as support for a significant time. It has been 3 years now, but I do believe the breakout can be massive, and that's what he put out on February 12th right there. The short-term target is currently proving arduous considering XRP's price at the moment is about 53 cents. Well, guys, at this recording, I just looked at it, and it's well over the 54-cent mark. The last time the coin touched the 60-cent level was early December in 2023, meaning a significant rally is required to beat the current stalemate. Nonetheless, XRP investors are less confident about potential break despite reduced optimism. Fundamentals and the XRP ecosystem remain bullish, complemented by the ongoing evolution of the XRP ledger. With Bitcoin's price returning to the 51,000 price mark and market capitalization soaring beyond 1 trillion milestone, XRP can ride this tempo to surmount its current woes. With the optimism in the ecosystem, expectations abound that XRP can soar beyond its current market capitalization. Guys, we are getting major momentum buildup, and a massive break is looking like it's on the horizon. Now, guys, for Confluence, just check this out right over here. XRP price turns bullish as Bitcoin tops 51K. Now, guys, we just saw Bitcoin go over 52K, and our gain set to hit $1 this week. XRP price has shown promising upward movement in recent days, catching the attention of many within the cryptocurrency community. In the last 24 hours, significant bullish momentum has pushed the leading cross-border money remittance token beyond the previously observed resistance level of 53 cents. In fact, guys, right now we're well over that 54-cent mark. The XRP price currently stands, at the time this guy wrote it, at 53.4, reflecting a more than 3% gain. This surge indicates the growing bullish sentiment across the market. Guys, a rising tide raises all ships, and I have been here before to see it, and it feels exactly like it did back then. And what we're going through right now, all the FUD, all the conjecture, all the price, it's exactly the same sentiment was there before. And in the last go around, we watched XRP price fall right from all the way down to 17.48 cents, and within 4 months, guys, it was $1.97, a 1,200% return. And that was with a freshly minted SEC lawsuit against it and being delisted from practically every U.S. exchange save Uphold. Well, now we've got that legal clarity, and we're on all these exchanges, plus some exchanges that never carried it before. Guys, if we just did a 12x like we did last time, we're already talking about a $6 to $7 XRP. Is a $10, $12, $14, $15 XRP that far to imagine? Not in my estimation. That's at least my opinion. And guys, there are folks out there that are saying it could go well beyond those numbers. What we're seeing right now is this basic surge of optimism. Now, remember, you got 3 kinds of analysis in this space. You got sentiment analysis, which, as we know, can change on a dime. You got technical analysis, which we were just looking at there, and the potential for seeing different things happen on the charts that point to potential massive moves. And guys, you got the fundamental analysis, and that's what we were talking about right at the beginning. Have the fundamentals changed? Has this ecosystem contracted or expanded? Well, we know that it has expanded. Has XRP's influence in the wide world diminished, or has it absolutely grown? Well, we know its utilization has grown immensely. In fact, in the last quarter of 2023, Ripple sold $1 billion worth of XRP to on-demand liquidity partners. Now, that shows you right there how it is being used in the wide world. Guys, when you see things like this heating up and you're watching all of these technical analysis stuff and you couple that with all of this fundamental analysis that's going on, in my mind, guys, I'm telling you, it just paints the picture. And what Judy and I have really gone out and done and investigated this to the nth degree, and we are all in. Guys, I'm telling you, I think a great day is absolutely coming. Look, I worked 25 plus years to get a pension out of the government there in Canada. I think I can wait a few years to see something massive happen in this space. And guys, it's my estimation that into 2024, 2025, I think some things are going to just absolutely explode in this space. It's going to leave people totally gobsmacked. Most people aren't even going to fathom the changes that are coming. It'd be so mentally hard for them to digest. And guys, I'll tell you what, we were going to ride that wave all the way to that winner circle. And I want you to be able to be standing right there, right in the center of that circle when we cross that finish line. So guys, one of the best decisions that Judy and I made during that last bull run is to get our plan in place before it absolutely took off. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally, one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com and we'll get you all booked in. So guys, this is the video I have for you today, and as always, I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Now, many of you know I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but if you found value in it, if you'd hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And hey, don't forget to put your comments right down there in the comment section and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our regularly released videos. So, in the meantime, and in between time, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.